In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop at Sam's Club in 2026, step by step. To get started, go to the Sam's Club website or open the Sam's Club app on your device. Either option works, so just use whichever feels more convenient for you. Once you're there, sign into your Sam's Club membership account. This is important because your account gives you access to member pricing, available purchase options, and your saved order details. After signing in, you can begin browsing or searching for the products you want to buy. If you already know what you're looking for, using the search bar will usually be the fastest option. If you're still exploring, browsing through categories can help you compare products and discover what's available. When you find an item you're interested in, select it to open the product page. This is where you'll be able to review the item details, pricing, and availability. Take a moment here to make sure the product matches what you need, especially if there are different sizes, colors, package types, or other variations. Next, choose the quantity you want and select any available options for that item. Once everything looks right, click Add to Cart. After that, open your shopping cart and review it carefully. This is a good time to double check that the correct items, quantities, and options were added before moving forward. Once your cart looks good, select your fulfillment method. Depending on the item and your location, you may see options like shipping, curbside pickup, or club pickup. Choose the method that works best for you based on speed, convenience, and availability. After that, enter or confirm your shipping address if you're having the order delivered, or confirm your pickup location if you're planning to collect it yourself. Then choose your payment method and enter your payment details if needed. Make sure everything is accurate so there are no delays with processing your order. Before completing the purchase, review your order summary one last time. Check the items, taxes, any fees, and the estimated delivery or pickup information. This final review helps you catch any mistakes before the order is submitted. When you're ready, click Place Order or Submit Order to complete your purchase. After that, wait for the order confirmation. You can check your email or your Sam's Club account to view your receipt and track your order status. And that's how to shop at Sam's Club step by step in 2026. If you're following along for the first time, just take it one screen at a time, and the process should be quick and straightforward.